Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sanjiang. Now you are in the time corridor of Sanjiang. On your left-hand side is the history of the company. On the right-hand side is the evolution of the company's products. To a certain extent, it represents the development process of China's fire alarm industry. The company has a long history of nearly 40 years. There are 4 major stages of development. First, let's look at the startup phase. The company, formerly known as Nanhai Petroleum Sanjiang Electronic Industry and Trade Company, was established in 1985. Is the earliest fire alarm enterprise in China. It is also one of the founding enterprises of China's modern fire protection system. In 1998, Oceanwide Group invested in the acquisition of Nanyu property. The company was renamed Shenzhen Fanhai Sanjiang Electronics Company, Ltd. The change of system had injected vitality to Sanjiang. In 2022, the equity structure adjustment was completed, and HTI became a very important shareholder of Sanjiang. So it was renamed Shenzhen HTI Sanjiang Electronics Company, Ltd. For more than 35 years, we have always been adhering to the principle of quality first. It is one of the first enterprises to pass the ISO 9001 quality system certification in the field of domestic fire protection. At the beginning of the establishment, we developed China's first generation of ion smoke and fire detectors. Completed the first national tackling plan. The product is currently on display at the Shenzhen Reform and Opening Pavilion. In 1990, we launched products based on the first generation of bus technology. Then we move on to the exploration phase. The company has always focusing on the fire alarm field. In the business segment, Sanjiang is also taking diversified exploration in market layout and other aspects. 2003 founded a subsidiary, Sanjiang Technology, deep in the field of software, realizing the all-round development from hardware to software. We had a lot of breakthroughs in technology at this stage. In 1998, we launched the second generation of bus products, which started industry technology iterations. 2002 took the lead in building ARM system and developed the first generation of domestic ARM fire alarm system host, which has epoch-making significance in the industry. In 2006, we independently developed the backscatter maze technology. This proprietary technology can greatly reduce the rate of false positives. In the past decade, from 2007 to 2015, the company was driven by technology and realized the rapid development of enterprises. In 2007, the company's products obtained Japan NS certification to become the first fire alarm brand in the Japanese market. In 2008, we became one of the first enterprises to pass the National High-Tech Enterprise certification. In 2013, we cooperated with Vank, China Resources, Greenland, Evergrande, etc. And more than 10 domestic real estate companies signed a strategic cooperation agreement, consolidating our advantage in the commercial market. In 2014, we won the title of Leading Enterprise in Nanshan District of Shenzhen. Marking the company's dominant product segment market share is located top 3 in the same industry in China. In 2015, we won the famous trademark of Guangdong Province. At this stage, we developed the 3rd generation bus technology, and the 930 photo-inductor smoke is introduced. It was the company's first product to sell more than 100 million units. It is also the world's first photo-inductive smoke and fire detector with a backward maze design. In 2014, the first generation of fire door monitoring system and fire equipment monitoring system were launched, enriching our product line. After more than 30 years of cultivation, the company has been in the forefront of the fire alarm industry. To become a truly international company, we continue to explore and move forward in cutting-edge research fields, business fields, and management models. In 2016, we established Overseas Business Development Department, and our products are sold all over the world. In 2017, the company cooperated with Shenyang Fire Research Institute of the Ministry of Public Security, jointly established the National Engineering Laboratory for Fire and Emergency Rescue. In 2018, Guangdong Provincial Department of Science and Technology recognized Sanjiang as Guangdong Fire and Emergency Rescue Engineering Center. In 2019, we won the title of Shenzhen Nanshan District Headquarters Enterprise. We had a lot of breakthroughs in technology at this stage. In 2017, we researched and developed of the fourth generation of bus technology. In 2018, we created a new generation of domestic Android platform. In 2019, Pure 2 Bus A-series products were launched. In the field of fire alarm, we never stop and constantly pursue breakthroughs. HTI is the one of the most well-known and influential state-owned financial services institutions. The industry we are focusing on is the top priority of the entire fire protection system. The technical content, reliability and stability of the products are extremely high required. At present, the total assets of the company is nearly 1.4 billion yuan. In 2019, the turnover exceeded 1 billion. The compound growth rate of the main business is 34%, which keeps a high growth rate. According to official data disclosed by the Shenzhen Stock Exchange, in the past 3 years, Shenzhen Company's revenue compound annual growth rate is 18.85%. We have a strong R&D team. Annual R&D investment accounts for about 10% of the turnover, which is higher than the industry level. At the same time, we are also one of the few enterprises in the industry to master the core technology. We have 138 kinds of products obtained national 3C certification, and sales of products ranked among the top 3 in China. In terms of market, our domestic industry ranks the top 3 and ranks 1 in South China region. Based on the market prospects, industrial policies, and laws and regulations trend, it indicates that the next 3 to 5 years will be a critical period for us to achieve rapid growth, to leapfrog growth. The company plans to generate 2 billion in revenue in the future and strive to become a truly international enterprise. Over here is our latest corporate honor. We have gained praise and recognition from different aspects. The company has witnessed and promoted the continuous progress of China's fire alarm industry. In the past 10 years, it has produced and sold more than 200 million sets of fire alarm equipments. It provides fire protection for more than 300 million people. Our service scope includes the commercial market and professional market. Commercial market, mainly summarizing as residential real estate and commercial real estate. In residential real estate, our market share in South China, where residential real estate is highly developed, has been the highest for many years. A strategic cooperative partnership has been established with Bank, China Resources, China Merchants, Poly and other mainstream real estate brands. Up to now, it has served nearly 50,000 residential communities in China. In commercial real estate, we are the core supplier of high-end urban complexes. It has provided one-stop fire alarm solutions for nearly 700 benchmarking urban complexes and high-end office buildings. The most famous cases are the Shenzhen Civic Center, Guangzhou Asian Games Village, Shanghai Center, etc. In the industry market, the company has arranged electric power, rail transit, urban management corridor, smart city construction and other fields, providing customized integrated services for special industry customers. On the right-hand side are some of our success stories. Futian High-Speed Railway Station Transportation Hub. The FAS Fire Interface Server developed by Sanjiang is used to solve the barriers in the exchange of fire control information between mainland and Hong Kong. Changsha South Station Traffic Hub applied Sanjiang's full range of fire alarm products to ensure the sound operation of rail transit fire alarm system. The case fully reflects our product linkage, product comprehensive. Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge applied gas fire control system. Emergency ward of Shenzhen Third People's Hospital applied the Internet of Things smoke detector of Sanjiang's intelligent fire protection products. And we completed product selection, technical debugging and put into use within 20 days. Now, let's walk into the solutions section. To meet the characteristics of different industries in the domestic and overseas, we have introduced a series of firefighting solutions. Residential buildings take an important role in fire safety. Residential building solutions can be radically improved. The response speed of the residents to the fire, timely treatment and evacuation. Our residential building solutions use a combination of wired and wireless communications. On the left is our wireless fire alarm products, including wireless sound and light, wireless smoke detector and so on. All the terminals can be connected to our wireless controller. The controller is beautiful and small, suitable for single floor, single hotel, etc. On the right is a home fire alarm system for high-rise buildings. The system has a built-in buzzer for smoke sensing. There will be a beep warning when the smoke alarm is triggered. It can be used with home fire controller. It can be a small system of its own, and can also be connected to the property or fire center to provide security. In residential real estate field, SANJIANG has become a core fire alarm equipment and service provider. In South China, we rank 1 in this market share. We have deep cooperation with domestic well-known real estate companies like Vanke, China Merchants, Poly, China Resources, etc. The urban complex is a complex of buildings integrating office, entertainment, shopping and other functions, which is a city within a city. The complex is complex in structure and densely populated, where sudden fire accidents are easy to cause large casualties and property losses. Urban complex solution combine fire alarm, electrical fire, gas fire extinguishing, emergency lighting evacuation instruction system. It can realize real-time monitoring of the state of firefighting facilities, quickly locate the fire and plan the best escape route, to create a safe and reliable operating environment for the urban complex. There are many classic cases in our urban complex project, such as Shenzhen Civic Center, Guangzhou Asian Games Village, and Shanghai Center. Shanghai Center is the second tallest building in the world and the tallest building in China. It is 632 meters high and the construction area is 430,000 square meters. SANJIANG is domestic fire alarm equipment brand applied. As a Shanghai landmark, the negative ground floor is the world's top private treasure house. It saves the personal treasures of many of the wealthiest individuals, where water or foam/dust cannot be used to extinguish a fire. Our gas fire extinguishing system uses HFM 227EA gas to extinguish fire, and can avoid the destruction of cultural relics to the highest extent. Comprehensive pipe corridor combines various engineering pipelines, like the power, communication, gas, water supply and drainage in one of the underground pipe gallery. The pipeline is complicated, and there are many interference accidents. Urban integrated pipe corridor solutions applied flammable gas detection, fire detection and other means to ensure the safe operation of pipe gallery. SANJIANG's gas fire extinguishing system has a variety of external communication interfaces. At the same time, high protection level can effectively solve the problems like multiple types in the pipe gallery, compatibility and linkage of fire protection products from multiple manufacturers. We have a lot of success stories. Wuhan Central Business District is the sample of the National Underground Comprehensive Pipe Corridor. In 2016, Premier Li Keqiang inspected the key project. SANJIANG is one of the drafters who participated in the National Standard Urban Underground Comprehensive Pipe Corridor Fire Prevention Technical Regulations formulation. Urban rail transit hub have large area and high passenger flow. When a fire occurs, it is difficult to quickly locate the fire and to evacuate. The rail transit solution protect the track hub by multi-system communication linkage, ring network and other ways. Classic cases include Guangzhou Shenzhen Hong Kong High-Speed Railway Futian Station and Changsha South Station, Guangzhou South Station and other large traffic hub. The Futian High-Speed Railway Station is the largest underground transportation hub in Asia. It has a unique location where connected the Hong Kong Railway. The automatic fire alarm system applied in Futian High-Speed Railway Station realized system connection between the mainland and Hong Kong sections through the self-developed FAS interface server. This is also the only project in China that meets the mainland's industry standards and Hong Kong's fire protection standards. The exhibition area shows our intelligent evacuation system, which is different from the traditional indicator light. The lamps and lanterns of this system are all equipped with addresses, which can be linked with the fire alarm controller. In the detection of fire, the system is able to plan the best escape route to keep people away from the fire, through intelligent calculation, providing security in public places where evacuation is difficult, like airports, high-speed rail stations, shopping malls. The wind tower substation is located in a remote area with an altitude of up to 4,000 meters. And the tower is far away from each other. The environment is relatively bad, where fire equipment is prone to failure. If the manpower inspection is organized frequently, the annual cost will be calculated by 100 million levels. The unattended power station in Heilongjiang is located in the cold region of northeast China, where the temperature is freezing all year round. Our products are adapted to this extreme climate, ensuring the normal operation of the power station. There is a lot of communication interference in the tower, and our system is resistant to strong electromagnetic interference, to achieve zero false alarm and free maintenance. Through fiber optic Ethernet technology, hundreds of remote hosts can be interconnected. At the same time, our system has the capability of remote upgrade and timely maintenance, which is very simple and convenient. Classic cases include State Grid, China's wind power and solar photovoltaic industries. In 2016, we established the Overseas Business Development Department to vigorously develop overseas markets. The company has obtained the British LPCB, European Union CE, and other international product certification. It has established strategic partnerships with IKEA and Emerson. Our products have been sold to more than 50 countries. We will complete the transformation of global operation with global vision and pattern, and become an international enterprise in a true sense. Small place solution, which is applied to the office, restaurants, shops, warehouses, and other small places. The whole system conforms to EN 54 standard and has obtained LPCB certification. This system is our overseas sales champion. Large and medium public building solution is for residential applications, like hotels, hospitals, schools, and other large and medium-sized public buildings. The system applies a number of core patented technologies, which can quickly detect fire and timely report to the information center. Multi-story villa wireless interconnection solution. The structure of such building is complex, where the rooms are scattered and the fire is difficult to detect in time. This solution uses wireless FSK module interconnection, which can realize the initial stage of fire. Effective alarm and timely inform the property or firefighters for fire rescue. Home independent detector solution. This fire alarm series is customized for IKEA and sells well in Europe. The following are our products to Japan, where is a very mature market for us. Our individual detector has a service life of up to 10 years. It is suitable for residential and ordinary families. IDC data center. Servers and communication devices are densely deployed in the data center. It's easy to cause fire with large power consumption and difficult heat dissipation. As an electrical type of place, there is a lot of sensitive equipment. Traditional water can't be used to put out a fire. Our control system can put out the fire source by releasing HFC 227EA. The advantage of IDC solution is the bus-type gas fire control system. The detector can detect fire timely and accurately. Machine-integrated gas fire extinguishing and automatic fire alarm has the advantages of simple wiring, stable and reliable operation. We offer customized applications for industry customers. Classic cases include China Mobile Data Center, Huawei Data Center, etc. Intelligent fire solutions are mainly used in cultural relics in ancient buildings, old residential buildings, 9 small places, etc. Such places have no fire access, lack of supervision, and great fire hazards. Remodeling costs are high, and historic sites can't even be wired. Our Smart Fire Solutions is designed by wholly owned subsidiary S-Link. By the Internet of Things technology, the IoT terminal is connected to the SANJIANG cloud platform, offering real-time monitoring and warning of fires. Our IoT products require no wiring and are plug-and-play. At the same time, the terminal can insert a SIM card. When the IoT smoke sensing products detect fire, the alarm information such as fire alarm and failure will be pushed to the mobile app, Community Fire Station and Safe City Control Center in time. At present, we are deeply cooperating with China Telecom and China Mobile, Huawei and other well-known domestic enterprises. This is our fire door and window monitoring system. It can be used to monitor the running status of fire door and feed the information back to the fire control room. The system has been in the forefront of the industry, serving a large number of classical engineering projects, such as Shikoh Port Cruise Center, Longqi Bay, etc. On the left-hand side is our product family, from early warning products, combustible gas system, electrical fire monitoring system, fire equipment power monitoring system to fire alarm system, intelligent evacuation system, fire door monitoring and gas extinguishing system, and our IoT products. We provide customers with one-stop fire protection solutions. We have one of the most complete product lines in the industry. The large screen allows to monitor the running status of front-end products in various scenarios in real time. Our Smart Fire Cloud Center combined cloud computing, big data and mobile internet, based on geographical location information to realize real-time online view on the network unit, IoT and traditional fire fighting equipment. Next I will give you our intelligent fire products alarm demonstration. The large screen can display the connected units that trigger fire alarms in real time. The contents are detailed to fire address, responsible person, telephone number, and so on. SANJIANG Cloud Platform can realize accurate and multidimensional control of fire data. It provides important reference for equipment and incident management, fire warning and rescue. Research and development of intelligent fire fighting system based on IoT technology won the 2019 Shenzhen Science and Technology Progress Award. Now, we are in the core competitiveness area. It shows our core technology and mature supply chain system, and our perfect after-sales service. Technological innovation is the first source of power for the development of SANJIANG. The R&D team is more than 200 people, with a complete technology research and development platform. Under the guidance of Huawei's consulting team, we introduce IPD R&D management system to continuously improve R&D efficiency. The company has applied for a total of 663 intellectual property rights, including 155 invention patents. The products have obtained many certifications in China and overseas. A number of industry-leading technologies, cloud computing, big data and other forward-looking technologies are widely used in the field of high-security fire safety. Industrial cooperation is the accelerant catalyst for the development of SANJIANG. We are a participant in national and industry standards. We have participated in the development of 4 national standards and 1 local standard, and have undertaken a number of major scientific and technological projects. Through industry-university research cooperation to drive the prospective development of fire protection undertakings, and through layouting IoT industry to promote cross-industry development. Excellent quality is the solid foundation for the development of SANJIANG. Our factory covers an area of nearly 30,000 square meters and has 5 high-speed SMT production lines. The annual output of detector products can reach 30 million. We are the first company in the industry to pass the BSI ISO 9001 quality system certification, environmental quality management and occupational health and safety management certification. We monitor manufacturing process through SAP ERP system to ensure product traceability. In the window is the design manuscript of our controller and detector. On the user's view, the detector is designed with consideration of a reasonable degree from the structure, mold feasibility, and popular appearance elements. so that the product can be reasonable, disassembly simple, easy to clean. The appearance has unified image, UI is beautiful and logical and easy to operate. The key planning is reasonable. The main color is set as SANJIANG Technology Blue. Keys and functional areas, which need color distinct, are distinguished by colors. Structure is easy to disassemble and convenient to transport. The video shows the details of our product testing. Because we are located in the humid area of South China, we pay more attention to the waterproof performance of products. We use 3 anti-paint technology so that our products have the characteristics of anti-water, dust and salt spray. This video is water test, dust test, salt spray test and so on. From our test lab. After watching the video, please allow me to introduce our quality after-sales service. We have complete, strict quality management system. The testing laboratory covers an area of nearly 1,000 square meters. We have more than 300 branch service institutions, including more than 50 directly affiliated institutions. The business scope covers the whole country. We set up 5 large warehouses across the country, and small warehouses in business centers across the country can meet the urgent needs of customers. In the aspect of after-sales service, we can do 5 minutes phone response. 4 hours on-site support, offer whole process services from system configuration, product selection, system integration to construction maintenance, to response to customer requirements. The key technology is the mode of the development of the SANJIANG. Our core covers sensing, transmission and cloud computing. For sensing, we develop advanced chips and backscatter maze technology. Later, you can know more intuitively through the 2 holographic display cases in the middle of the exhibition hall. In terms of transmission, our products widely use the 2-bus technology. Drive capability, resistance to electromagnetic interference, communication rate, stability, and reliability have been greatly improved. At the same time, it can reduce the construction time and cost. We also focus on wireless sensor network technology, develop both wired and wireless communications. In terms of cloud computing, we officially launched SANJIANG Cloud Platform in 2016. The intelligent monitoring screen that just introduced makes fire prevention and control step into the era of big data. On the right is the loaded capacity display wall with 324 sound and light alarms. We're the only one in the industry that can load 324 sound and light alarms in a single loop. The holographic display on the left shows our advanced chip technology. We are a rare enterprise with independent research and development of chip. Smoke Sensor SoC chip is a photoelectric smoke sensing system level chip with low power consumption and low voltage. On the right-hand side shows our backscatter maze technology. It is based on the MIE scattering principle, a detection technique that at different scattered angles, light produces small scattering power difference for aerosol particles of different sizes. It can reduce the false positive rate of products through environment adaptive algorithm. We have a patent on this technology except for Honeywell. We are the only fire alarm enterprise that can complete this technology. This is the end of the exhibition hall introducing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.